Okay, so this project is pretty simple. We're just going to hang a new shade here at my mom and dad's place. Um, just a couple things. You'll see I've got this kind of bracket. Now, one of the tips is don't line that bracket up where it comes right over the top of your, your spools there. Try to get it off to the sides of that, okay? So that's going to be step number one, and these are easy. They go just like this. They fasten up on top, and I'm going to let you watch how that's done. I've done a ton of these for different, rental properties that I have. So it's a pretty simple and quick process. I got to put the right bit in. I used that bit to take the old hardware off. These bits that you get, this is with a Ryobi kit, a little bit longer one like this. These are pretty nice to get things done. And then I've got my impact drill here. The screws come in the packet. And I'm going to see if I can use one of the previous screw holes. That would make this a little bit easier. And I can. And these are crankouts, so there's a crankout handle on this. So I'm going to give that just a little bit of clearance. All right, Steve, I know you used to work for a window manufacturing place. So hopefully this passes your inspection. And I'm going to go middle of that slot. So if I need to adjust, I can. Ah, crap. All right. I'm just gonna I brought my other drill. I was at the golf course before I came here. So that's kind of why I have my Maui shirt on, one of them, my Hawaiian shirt. Started. All right. Let's run a screw in there again. two on the floor here. Perfect. Okay. That'll work nicely there. And these brackets are hidden. So I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to go off. I'm going to use the one screw hole I have. And I know I'm not going to have any issues with any of the inside hardware on the new one. Just gonna drill the hole right away to start our pilot hole. Now, like I said, you could run this tight back, but I think it's going to be a little easier for Dad to get out, and it doesn't interfere with the crank out lock. There. Tool hold it. I'm going to put my ends in.
You didn't fall down, did you?
Nope. Nope, we're all good. Something to kind of bend them back. They're heading off the ends of the world here. So I think we can go without them. Now, the other thing is, you got a little hole here. Okay, you're gonna put the handle on there to turn it open, turn it shut. gotta be a little forceful with them. To get them to click, you want that top in there first, without a doubt. Shit. Thought I had it, but I didn't. Right. All right, final update on this project. The one clip on the left-hand side, I don't know if it's because we had to cut the length or whatever. I just really struggled getting that one in. Spent about 25 minutes trying to hook that one in the way it's supposed to go. And finally I gave up on that clip because we had two boxes because the gal had to recut it, and she cut it way too short, so she ended up having to cut a brand new one for me. So I had the parts from the first box, then the parts from the second one. I took the clip out of there, used that. But this works pretty slick. Just slide it up, slide it down. Dad likes it, he said, about 6 inches. And then you can also close it by turning the handle here, and then clockwise opens it up. And so that's the tricks to putting one of these together. Length doesn't matter. These, within reason, this could fit a lot longer window. The length really doesn't matter. You can order them custom cut to the right length, but as you can see, it doesn't matter. You pull it down, nobody knows the difference on it. It gives you some flexibility, and I'm glad I did move it out a little bit, kind of work around some of the things. Dad likes it, like I said, about 6 inches there. These work pretty slick, all in all. Want to get it right, so it looks good for Dad. Then I just had an extra one of these because we had 2 boxes. Those cranks, they tend to break. When I get rentals back, they tend to be broke. Hit that subscribe button if you learn the tricks on how to line things up on top there to clip in. But yeah, took a while on this one, but I'm happy with the outcome.